I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I open my eyes slowly.
I open my eyes slowly.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I sit up in bed.
I sit up in bed.
I yawn softly.
I yawn softly.
I wear my slippers.
I wear my slippers.
I walk to the bathroom.
I walk to the bathroom.
I turn on the light.
I turn on the light.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I rinse my mouth.
I rinse my mouth.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I dry my body.
I dry my body.
I put on clean clothes.
I put on clean clothes.
I smile at myself.
I smile at myself.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I prepare breakfast.
I prepare breakfast.
I fry an egg.
I fry an egg.
I toast bread.
I toast bread.
I pour a glass of milk.
I pour a glass of milk.
I drink the milk.
I drink the milk.
I eat my breakfast slowly.
I eat my breakfast slowly.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I clean the table.
I clean the table.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I grab my keys.
I grab my keys.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
I see the bus coming.
I see the bus coming.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
I greet the driver.
I greet the driver.
I find a seat.
I find a seat.
I look out the window.
I look out the window.
I watch passing cars.
I watch passing cars.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I arrive at school.
I arrive at school.
I enter the classroom.
I enter the classroom.
I greet my teacher.
I greet my teacher.
I sit at my desk.
I sit at my desk.
I open my notebook.
I open my notebook.
I listen to the lesson.
I listen to the lesson.
I take notes carefully.
I take notes carefully.
I raise my hand.
I raise my hand.
I answer a question.
I answer a question.
I read a paragraph.
I read a paragraph.
I write on the board.
I write on the board.
I learn new words.
I learn new words.
I practice speaking.
I practice speaking.
I close my notebook.
I close my notebook.
I take a short break.
I take a short break.
I eat a small snack.
I eat a small snack.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I talk to my friend.
I talk to my friend.
I laugh with my friend.
I laugh with my friend.
I return to class.
I return to class.
I study again.
I study again.
I solve math problems.
I solve math problems.
I check my answers.
I check my answers.
I finish the lesson.
I finish the lesson.
I pack my bag again.
I pack my bag again.
I leave the classroom.
I leave the classroom.
I walk to the cafeteria.
I walk to the cafeteria.
I buy some food.
I buy some food.
I choose rice and vegetables.
I choose rice and vegetables.
I sit at a table.
I sit at a table.
I enjoy my meal.
I enjoy my meal.
I drink a cold juice.
I drink a cold juice.
I talk with classmates.
I talk with classmates.
I laugh again.
I laugh again.
I finish eating.
I finish eating.
I throw away the trash.
I throw away the trash.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I return to class.
I return to class.
I read my textbook.
I read my textbook.
I close the book.
I close the book.
I check the time.
I check the time.
I leave the school.
I leave the school.
I walk outside.
I walk outside.
I see the playground.
I see the playground.
I play with friends.
I play with friends.
I run on the ground.
I run on the ground.
I kick a ball.
I kick a ball.
I laugh loudly.
I laugh loudly.
I drink water again.
I drink water again.
I sit under a tree.
I sit under a tree.
I feel the breeze.
I feel the breeze.
I look at the sky.
I look at the sky.
I see white clouds.
I see white clouds.
I hear birds singing.
I hear birds singing.
I check my watch.
I check my watch.
I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I unlock the door.
I unlock the door.
I put down my bag.
I put down my bag.
I change my clothes.
I change my clothes.
I wash my hands again.
I wash my hands again.